Well, the Z is finally done. You guys a quick walk around. Here's the hatch that we were waiting on to paint. Wasn't able to use the super special seal, so I ended up using an OEM style one. The other one would have not have this groove. This is for the trim. I wasn't planning on using that, but I had to use this since the other seal was so huge. Yeah, it's good to drive it again. I've been driving it for about, I think, a week now. Driving it to work, breaking all the necks.
Show them the center caps.
Oh yeah, got these custom made.
You're welcome.
Birthday present. Since they're kind of hard to find, you just had a guy make them?
Yeah. I did a lot of digging through the internet, and I found this guy that used to make them back in the day. And I asked him, like, hey, can you make some more? He's like, yeah, sure. I gotta make new molds though. So he made new molds, and these are the first one out of the set, meaning that they're the highest quality. So yeah.
Cool. Anyways,
pretty cool.
Yeah. Finishes off the wheel, because that was missing before. And right now, you're working on the flares. I'm sure Z guys know about Retro-Spec. So this is a Retro-Spec ZG flare, the standard one, not the extra wide one. It takes a while to get out, but it looks freaking good. Got the other ones over here. I think these are the back ones.
That's the back, that's the front.
And then you got another one over here. Ooh, the 240 still sitting here. So there you go.
Here we can compare it real quick.
Yeah, here's the
This is the eBay one, right? Or whatever.
well, you get it from the Z store.
Yeah, but they got like these weird lines here.
Yeah, it's not that nice. And this is not really cut straight.
Yeah.
The arch. And it's just overall not as nice as this. Sometimes you do get what you pay for. I mean, these are like what, $50 or something?
Something like that.
These are expensive.
Yeah. So it fits the body a lot better, right?
Yeah, it seems to fit better, and just, you know, overall quality of the part is just way higher.
I think we gotta get some new bolts here to match these.
That's what you're thinking?
Maybe. Up to you.
So we're just gonna finish up putting on all the flares, and we shall see the final look.
Yeah.
So we just had to drill these out a little bit to use our bolts.
Yeah.
Just slightly. Look all dirty.
Slightly. This thing makes a lot of dust.
Look, it's actually not that low. Look at the gaps.
It's all alive.
It's all a lie. Yep. Oh, plus these aren't cut. Ooh.
No. Instantly slammed.
There you go. Stance boy, just like that.
Oh. Slammed.
Slammed, not slammed. In fact, Mexa flush.
Yeah.
There you go. See, it's all a lie. No. You'd be kidding if you say this car wasn't low. Because I scrape on everything. Nice. Well, what do you think, Alan?
That's good.
Look, it definitely closes up the gap better.
Yeah.
For some reason, I don't know why. Maybe it's like softer?
Maybe it's made better.
Ooh.
Kind of a pain to get to these.
Well, if the car wasn't on the ground, then you could probably...
It's too low to get the jack under it.
Yes.
sleeves are all dirty.
Oh, what do you guys think about the flares? Do you like carbon or just plain fiberglass? So with these cheaper cheaper fiberglass flares, there's like little imperfections in the molding, I guess. So it doesn't look as clean, and the arches aren't as straight. Like you see, there's like hard cuts, like it goes straight, and then it's not like a smooth transition. You probably can't really tell, but I notice it. Yeah, look at this flare. You see little lines in there. That might not bother some people, but you know, it's the little details that counts. And I'm sure you can, you know, fill it up or whatever, or sand it down, but it's kind of nice to have a product that's ready to bolt on. But dang, it looks way better, and plus it's shiny. You like shiny stuff, right?
Yeah, sure. Shiny's good.
Oh, look how close this is to the tire, though. Woo. I'm gonna find out if this is gonna hit it. It's pretty close, but this wheel should camber in that way. Still waiting on other parts from this guy, but he takes a while to get stuff out.
Well, he's a one-man army. I think he works all by himself, so it's understandable that he's taking a while.
I put this order in, I think, in November. So it's already been, you know, a good couple months, but it looks pretty good. I guess that's really it for this video. I just want to show you guys the Z is finally painted, and I am driving this around. Flares, super sick. I'll put the link to his store if you guys are interested. Look at the wheels. Whew. These flares and these wheels just go together like.
And look at this. It's beating. The flat black paint would never beat up like that.
I mean, it's a rattle can.
Yeah,
it's crazy.
It's two totally different things, but I'm just saying that it's beating up.
Dude, I went to rattle can to this. It's pretty nuts. All done in that garage.
Yeah. Hey, watch out.
Whoa, step on this.
For a first-time paint job, I can say that I'm honestly surprised how it came out.
I'm super surprised how it came out. I was expecting nothing and got this.
Even Andre was surprised.
Andre was a super hater.
He was like, "Oh man, why are you gonna paint yourself straight to Mako? You can't do better than them." And you're like, "Okay."
I was like, Mako is just some dude, and I'm some dude,
yeah,
so I can do it.
We're all just some guy, right?
We're all just some guy working at a place. That's all it is. Although he probably does have more experience. Yeah, so I came to this paint project expecting nothing, and it turned out way better than I expected. First time. Never painted in my life. Well, I mean, a rattle can, but you know, that's not the same. Never done body work before. Never used a paint gun before. And, I mean, can you really bad talk me on this? It's not perfect, but I dare you to spot a defect. Only I know where the defects are. I mean, yeah, you can probably find it, but not bad. Yeah, like I said, I'm still waiting more parts on this guy. He takes a while to get these parts made. It's just one dude. So Here's our better look at the flare. Fits really nice. Wheels by Love20B on Instagram. I'll post that in the description too, if you guys are interested. He does all kinds of rebuilds for older style wheels. Here, check out the interior too. Look at all the skillet parts. This door panel actually kind of curved in, you see? So it kind of clears the seat better. And the old crappy center console's out, that plastic ugly thing, and got the skillet aluminum center console. I could do a more in-depth walk around if you guys are interested. But so this is pretty much done. So this is the next project. Waiting on the head to come back still. So this was the bad engine that was in here, and I rebuilt or sent the head out to get it, serviced. A couple of things here and there.
New valve stem seals.
Yeah.
Head resurface and a 3-angle valve grinder.
Just like the basic things, just to get it, nice before I throw it back in. So once I get my head back, and then we can see what's going on with this block, because it was knocking. Yeah, I want to get all this stuff off and swap it over. Oh, then I can finally get a tune, an ECU and a tune, since I didn't do that. What are you doing over there?
I'm looking for a part to sell to this guy.
Nah. Good luck. Alright, I'm gonna end it there. A few more parts here and there for the Z, but it's basically just gonna be like this. And I'm not complaining.